Okay guys, as you saw by the thumbnail, this video is going to be about putting the tile on the backsplash. I wanted to hop on here real quick and let you guys know I made a rookie mistake. In the video before this one, which you guys will see, I was putting the tile on the shower and I had an entire video built. It was like 25 minutes long or something like that, and I had video teaching you guys how to cut the tile and how to measure it and how I put the deco tile on and all this stuff. Again, I am new to YouTube, so basically what happened was I made the video, I edited it all, had it all done, saved it to my computer, uploaded it to YouTube, YouTube downloaded it, and I didn't pay attention and it only downloaded 7 minutes of video. My computer was running slow, so I ended up deleting everything that has to do with that video. So then I spent like 90 bucks trying to get something that empties my trash can, or all the stuff that was emptied in my trash can gets me all my files back, blah, 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 blah. Tried all that. I got the file back, but now it doesn't play. So as of right now, I'm just going to let it ride. I'm going to try to get with a computer guy and see if he can help me out, and maybe he's able to restore that piece of that file that I got. I actually have it saved on a flash drive here, or USB, or I don't know, whatever they call these things. Like I say, I'm not a computer whiz. I'm new to all this stuff, but so I uploaded this video. Unfortunately, like I said, you'll see the beginning. I start to put in the first row and all the measurements I believe are in there. But as you guys watch this video, you'll see as I'm working on the backsplash, I pan over and you'll see the shower is just done. And I apologize for that. Like I said, I'm still learning. But now I got lots of flash drives all over the place, so I save it to the flash drive before I do anything. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Okay guys, today we're going to be working on the backsplash, and instead of using thin set and doing all that, it's only like, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 pieces. I'm just going to go ahead and use this liquid nail. I never tried it before, but it's a little less mess. Like I said, it's not in the shower. I really don't think it's going to be a problem. But all I'm going to do, just show you guys, just going to take a piece. I'm going to spread a little bit of liquid nail on the back of each piece. Just like that. Nothing too crazy here. Ain't rocket science. Just like that. Boy, this thing just wants to keep on puking. I'm going to spread it around a little bit, like so. Okay, just like that. Set our caulking gun down. We'll stick her on there. Just like so. So we get a nice little gap. Like I say, I'm not too stressed on this, just because it's just a backsplash. I mean, it ain't got to be perfect. There's not very much of it. I really don't think it's going to make much of a difference. I'm not using a thin set. Oh.
we're going to put these 2 pieces on, and then I'll cut whatever pieces I need. I'll just hop on here. Just wanted to show you guys what we're doing and how I'm doing it. Like I say, I really don't think we're going to have any problem doing it this way. I probably wouldn't do a shower this way, but it's just this little, it's only a few pieces. In worst case scenario, it doesn't work, and I'll do it with some thin set. But I don't think we're going to have that problem. This around. So just like that. And I'll take some of my little spacer deals, whatever I did with them. Put a few of them in here. Because I see this guy's trying to fall down. We'll do that one. We'll do this one. That guy there. Make sure our gaps look good here. Okay, so I'm going to measure from this long piece. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah. From here to the wall. So we're at, we'll call it 11 inches. Okay. Right here we're at 11 and a half. So I know that. Okay. From here to here I need to be 11 inches. So I'll measure from here. I'll cut 11 inches. It'll be flat. That piece will go there. Now, let's see if this piece, we're going to get lucky. Is it going to be 3 high? Let's see. I don't even know. 5 3/4. Ooh, 5 3/4. This is going to be perfect. So then all I got to do with this one is cut whatever length this is. So let's cut this first one and we'll be back. What I had to do is I had to take some of our pieces and slide them underneath the bottom because they were trying to sink, because this stuff isn't necessarily as sticky as the thin set, but that's okay, not a big deal. Spread this on here like so. Okay, yep. Do the same thing like that. Okay guys, as you can see, we're finishing up our last few pieces of our backsplash. Like I say, it's not perfect, but you know what? It's a whole lot nicer than it was. We're not building a multi-million-dollar home. We're just trying to build something nice for us. And something that our renters might enjoy. So I know I haven't talked about it a whole lot, but that's the plan for this RV. Is I am going to be renting it out essentially like an Airbnb. And then we'll use it for our own personal stuff when we want to. Look at that. Perfect. Alright guys, there you have it. Our bathroom is tiled up, looking pretty. We'll let everything dry. Once everything is dry, we'll go through and we'll grout everything. So take a look. I know that I didn't gap, like it's not perfectly level, but there's gonna be a shower curtain that sits there the majority of the time, so I really don't think it's gonna be that big of a deal. But what a difference. Spread some paint in here, spread a little grout. The shower head should be here tomorrow, so hopefully we'll get that knocked out tomorrow. Look how much better that looks already. I think I'm gonna change this lights. I think I'm gonna do an LED light, but we'll see. But yeah, there it is guys, all done and looking pretty. So we'll see you guys on the next project.